Are you tired of having a Tesla, but you got no privacy on the inside? Well, you're going to want to stay tuned because we got the Evooor Privacy Covers. Hello everybody, welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. On today's video, we have the Evooor Privacy Curtains for your Tesla Model 3 and Y. Now let's get these unboxed and unbagged and see what's inside. Right away, we have our accessories bag along with the carry-in case that you can use for your privacy curtains. So when you're done using them, you'll just throw them in that case, take them on the go, and store them for next time. Now I'm just individually showing you all the curtains you'll get for all 7 of your windows. Yes, all 7, even the little triangle ones that go in the rear of the car. Alright, and that's pretty much all of them. This last one here will be for the front, and it's also thermal insulated, which is very nice. Alright, and these are the 2 ones that go right inside the window. Those are the triangles. And your accessories pieces with your suction cups that you'll see right now. You'll install those suction cups just on the rear and just press those right into the window and they will stay locked and loaded. They are very good. And the rest of them will just attach to the window with nothing involved. You'll just press them right in and they stay snug and they fit perfectly. Even the little triangle pieces that go in the back rear windows. Next up, you have the one for the front windshield. This one is the largest, and you'll just go ahead and bring your visors down and then use the Velcro to move it around your mirror here, and it stays locked and loaded. And then on the inside, last but not least, is just the one for the driver's side. And as you can see, this is midday, so you'll see the only light coming through is at the top. But other than that, the light is being blocked all the way around the car. Alright, and look at that. We are completely blacked out all the way around, except for up, which is fine because you can look at the stars. That was the Evooor Tesla Model 3 and Y privacy covers that you can put in your car, and it looks fantastic. You can camp, sleep. If you just want to go camp in your car for a night, great. If you want to go and take the family out and just want some privacy, cool. Maybe you're parked somewhere and you just want to take a nap, cool. These things will work. They come down very easily. You put them down. Comes with its own carry-in case. Really cool, great product from Evooor. I will definitely be using this on my next camping trip. It's so cool, very handy, and very safe. The privacy covers from Evooor. We'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.